Hello students, welcome to a new lecture of stoichiometry. In the last class, we have balanced the given equation in acidic medium. Now we will look at how to balance the given equation in basic medium, right? So the equation which is given to us here is CrOH3 plus iodate give rise to chromate plus iodide, right? What is the first step we have to do? Actually, we are supposed to segregate the oxidation part and reduction part separately. But before doing that, you have to calculate the oxidation state. Then segregation of oxidation part and reduction part becomes easy, right? So now let us, what is the oxidation state of chromium in this? Let us calculate. X plus how many hydrogen? 3 plus how many oxygen? 3 is equal to 0. X plus 3 minus 6 is equal to 0, x is equal to plus 3, right? X is equal to plus 3. So on each chromium, the oxidation state is plus 3. Here what is the charge? X minus 8 is equal to minus 2. X is equal to minus 2 plus 8, x is equal to plus 6. Iodide minus 1 is the charge. Iodate x minus 6 is equal to minus 1, x is equal to minus 1 plus 6, x is equal to plus 5, right? So now you compare the oxidation states of the reactant and product and then find out what is being undergone by that particular compound, right? Oxidation state of chromium here is plus 3, that means 3 electrons are less, and oxidation state of chromium in this compound is plus 6, that means 6 electrons are less. Here the 3 electrons was less, here 6 electrons are less, that means it lost 3 more electrons to get chromium of plus 6 oxidation state. So this is oxidation, right? Chromic hydroxide to chromate is oxidation. And the other part definitely becomes reduction, right? So let us write giving chromate is oxidation. Why? Because here the oxidation state was plus 3, that means 3 electrons was less. Here it is plus 6, that means 6 electrons was less. Where is the shortage of electrons? Here. That means it lost 3 more electrons to give this. Plus 5 electrons are less in iodate and 1 electron is extra in iodide. That means it gained 6 electrons to become iodide. Here it was 5 electrons less, 5 electrons was less. After gaining 5 electrons it became neutral, and after gaining 1 more electron it became iodide. That means it is gain of electrons, which is reduction. Now you have segregated oxidation part and reduction part. Now what we have to do is balance the oxidation part separately and balance the reduction half reaction separately. After balancing both of them separately, you have to combine both and get the final equation. What is the first step of balancing the equations? Balance all the atoms except oxygen and hydrogen. Balance all the atoms except oxygen and hydrogen is our first step. What are the other all the atoms? Chromium is the other atom apart from oxygen and hydrogen. So here there is 1 chromium, here there is 1 chromium. No need to balance, already balanced. Here it is 1 iodine, here it is also 1 iodine. So already balanced, let us write that. Same way here also iodate gives iodide. What is the next step? Now you have to balance oxygen and hydrogen. What is the medium here? Basic medium. For acidic medium the rule was different, for basic medium the rule is different. In basic medium, balance the hydrogens by adding water molecules. By adding in acidic medium, you have balanced oxygen first and then hydrogen, but here it is opposite. You have to balance hydrogens first and then oxygens. How to balance hydrogens here? By adding water molecules. Okay, how many hydrogens are less, that many water molecules we are supposed to add. So now in this part there are 3 hydrogens on left side but no hydrogens on the right side. So what you have to do, as 3 hydrogens are present here, you have to add 3 water molecules on this side. Where is the shortage of hydrogens? On right side. So that how many shortage is there, that many water molecules you have to add. 3 hydrogens are less, so we will add 3 water molecules. Right? Let us come on the other side. Here is there any hydrogens to be balanced? No. So let us write the same equation. Right. What is the next step? Balancing oxygen. In basic medium, this rule is only for basic medium, okay. In basic medium, balance oxygens by adding OH minus ions. How many oxygens are less, that many OH minus ions you should add. Wherever oxygens are less, you first count how many oxygens are less. If 3 are less, add 3 OH minus. If 1 is less, add 1 OH minus ions. Okay. So now you see on this side there are 3 oxygens and on this side there are 4 plus 3. How many? 7 oxygens are present on right side, but on left side there is only 3 oxygens. So what you have to do? Where is the shortage? There is a shortage on this side. So how many shortage molecules? 3 oxygens plus 4 oxygen, total 7 oxygens are present on the right side, but left side has only 3. So you have to add 4 molecules of OH minus ions on the left side. Four molecules, 4 OH minus ions are added on the left side to make all the hydrogens same. Now you count 3 hydrogens plus 4 3 oxygens plus 4 oxygens, total is 7. 4 oxygens plus 3 oxygen, total is 7. It is same. Coming on the other side, here there are 3 oxygens, here there are no oxygen at all. So on the other side what you have to do is, you have to add that many OH minus. As 3 oxygens are less, add 3 OH minus ions on the right side. Where are they less? They are less on the right side. So they are supposed to be added on the right side only. How many are less? 3 are less. So how many OH minus we have to add? 3 OH minus, right? So now on this side there are 3 oxygens, on this side also there are 3 oxygens. Oxygens are balanced now. After balancing hydrogen and oxygen, what is the next step? Balance the charges. Balance the charges. How to balance the charges? You first find out how many electrons are lost or gained. This is oxidation. In this side, plus 3 was getting converted into plus 6. That means 3 electrons are lost. So that 3 electrons should be written here. Chromate plus 3 water molecules, it loses 3 electrons. So that write that on the other side. Okay. Coming to this side, it gained how many electrons? 6 electrons it gained to become iodide. Iodate gained 6 electrons. So you add 6 electrons. On this side the number of electrons lost are 3. On this side the number of electrons gained are 6. But both has to be same. To make the number of electrons lost or gained same, what you have to do? Multiply this side with that factor and multiply that side with this factor. Here as 3 electrons are lost, what you have to do? Multiply with 6. As 6 electrons are gained, multiply with 3. Okay. Wow. Let us come back to this balancing. We were discussing about balancing the charges, right? In each part of the reaction, number of electrons lost or gained should be same, right? Here there are 3, here there are 6. How to make both of them equal is, these two are related, right? They are not as different as 2 and 5 in the previous case. They are related. It is 3 and it is 6. If you multiply this side only with 2, this side becomes 6 electron, this side also becomes 6 electrons. No need to do anything to that other side, right? So let us multiply this total reaction with 2 so that number of electrons becomes same for both the sides, right? Our target here is to make the number of electrons same in both the half reactions. Our target now is not to make oxygen same or anything else, because they are already balanced. Now we are supposed to balance the number of electrons. How can it be balanced? If you multiply the total part with 2, electron becomes 6. On the other side also there are 6 electrons, right? 2 times chromic hydroxide plus 4 2s are 8 hydroxide ion give rise to 2 times chromate plus 6 water molecules plus 6 electrons, and the other reaction remains as it is. Both of them are having 6 electrons each now, right? Oxidation half reaction is balanced, reduction half reaction is balanced. Now you have to combine both, and after combining we will cancel the similar terms and get the final equation. I will erase the top part now so that writing the final equation becomes easy. Right, let us combine both the half reactions. 2 times chromium hydroxide plus 8 OH minus ions plus iodate plus 6 electrons. All the left part is over. Now arrow mark. Then write all the right part. 2 chromate plus 6 water molecules plus 6 electrons plus iodide plus 3 OH minus ion. Now this is the final equation. Let us cancel the similar terms. Right side, left side 6 electrons gets cancelled. OH minus are present here and even there. 8 are present here, 5 are present, 3 are present there. So 5 will be remaining here. Anything else which we can cancel? Nothing is left to be cancelled. Now write the leftover reaction. Iodate give rise to 6 water molecules plus iodide. This is the final equation which is balanced in basic medium, right? You copy all the steps. Now let us balance the given equation in basic medium. These are the repeated questions from stoichiometry, so we will be doing as much as possible, okay? And you have to practice them a lot, but it is a short question in your IP. Okay, coming back to the equation, how can we divide oxidation part and reduction part? You have to know the oxidation state. What is the oxidation state of this? -1. What is the oxidation state of this? +7. I will not be calculating because we have already seen all the oxidation states together in one paper. Okay. So iodine is 0. Iodine is a neutral molecule in which each iodine is having 0, 0. Right. Here what is the oxidation state? +4. Okay. +4. Now -1 is becoming 0, means it is losing the electrons or not? Yes. Here one electron was extra, but it is losing that electron also to become neutral. That means loss of electron, which means oxidation. Here 7 electrons was less, but here 4 electrons are only less. That means it gained 3 electrons to become +4 oxidation state. After gaining 1 electron, it becomes +6, another electron, +5, another electron, +4. So total it gained 3 electrons. That means this is reduction and this is oxidation. This is oxidation and this is reduction. Now let us segregate oxidation and reduction separately. Right? Now let us do the balancing of equation quicker than the previous two. Okay. Now because you have already known the rules. What is oxidation here? Iodide becoming iodine is oxidation by losing one electron. What is reduction? Permanganate becoming MnO2 is reduction by gaining electrons, right? So now you have separated both. Now what is the first step? Balance all the atoms except oxygen and hydrogen already balanced. In some cases it will not be balanced, right? It's not necessary that already no need to balance, already no need to balance. That will not be the case always, right? So now what is the second step? Which medium it is? It is basic medium. In basic medium, what we will balance first? Hydrogen. Hydrogens are balanced by adding what? Water molecule. How many hydrogens are less? That many water molecules should be added. Here is there any hydrogen to balance? No need. Here is there any hydrogens to balance? No need. So we have to, no need to do anything. As it is, you write. What is the third step? In basic medium, how do you balance oxygens? Balance oxygen by adding OH minus ions. Right? How many oxygens are less? That many OH minus should be added. Okay? So now what you will, let us see. Is there any oxygen here? No. So just write this. Is there any oxygens here? 4 oxygens here and 2 oxygens here. So write what you have to do is, on this side there are 2 oxygens less. So you will add 2 OH minus ions. Right? So now what is next? Balance the charges. Okay? See here in this molecule, actually what is the rule? We have to balance hydrogens and then oxygens, right? If you balance hydrogens first and then oxygen, hydrogens are getting added now. So what we will do is, we will balance oxygen first, and after balancing oxygen, hydrogens are getting added, so we will balance hydrogen. So what we will do is, make the third step as a second step and do the second step as third step. Okay? Let us balance hydrogens by adding what? Water molecule. How many hydrogens are here? 2 hydrogens, but here there are no hydrogens at all. So let us balance. So now let us continue with this, in which what we have done, we have balanced oxygen and then we have to balance hydrogen, right? And whenever you are coming across at such a stage where if you balance oxygen, hydrogens are increasing, if you balance hydrogen, oxygen are increasing, you have to follow hit and trial method. In what way? First balance oxygen. In doing so, if hydrogen increases, go for hydrogen. In doing so, if you get oxygen more, go for oxygen. Just like that, don't keep on focusing on oxygen only. You have to shift from oxygen to hydrogen and hydrogen to oxygen. You should not only concentrate on oxygen or only hydrogen. One after the other, you have to do hit and trial and check whether it is getting balanced or not. So what we have done in second step, we have balanced the oxygens by adding required number of OH minus ions. So as there were 4 oxygens here, we have added 2 OH minus to make both of them equal, right? But now after doing that, what is happening? Hydrogens are not getting balanced. Here you have 2 hydrogens, but here there are no hydrogens at all. Let us balance that first. How to balance hydrogens? how many hydrogens are less, that many water molecules should be added in a basic medium. So as 2 hydrogens are less, we will add 2 water molecules. Okay. And then hydrogens we have balanced, tried to balance, right? Don't count hydrogens now. What we have to do now? Go for oxygens. Is oxygen balanced or not? Let us see. 4 plus 2, 6. 2 plus 2, how many? 4, right? So what is happening? Here there are 6 oxygens, but here there are 4 oxygens. How to make oxygens balanced? How many oxygens are less? That many OH minus ions you should add. Here there are 6 oxygens, but here there are 2 oxygens less. So what you have to do? Add 2 more OH minus ion. So instead of writing 2 OH, what you do is make it to 4 OH. Now you count oxygen, 6 oxygens here, 6 oxygens here. Now is there any difference in hydrogens or not? You check. 2 2s are 4 hydrogens, 4 hydrogens. No need. Okay. So if you concentrate on oxygen alone, hydrogen will not be balanced. If you concentrate on hydrogen alone, oxygen will not be balanced. What you have to do is, after doing for hydrogen, check for oxygen. After doing for oxygen, check for hydrogen. After doing for hydrogen, check for oxygen. Okay. So now both of them are balanced, right? Now what is the next step? Balance the charges. Iodide is losing 1 electron to become iodine, right? That means 1 electron is lost. Here 2 times in the very beginning we have to balance all the atom except oxygen and hydrogen I told, but we didn't balance iodide. Here there are 2 iodines, here there was only 1. We just ignored that step because everywhere it was not needed. So here also we ignored. But 2 iodide, 2 iodine, right? So now balance the charges. How can we balance the charges? Each iodine is having -1. So -2 was the charge. Here 0. That means how many electrons are lost? 2 electrons are lost. So what you will do is, we will write that it is losing 2 electrons. Coming on the other side, Mn was having +7, Mn was having +4. That means 3 electrons are gained. So we will add 3 electrons on the left side. MnO4 minus +2 water molecules plus 3 electrons. MnO2 plus 4 OH minus, right? Here the number of electrons lost are 2. Here the number of electrons gained are 3. How can we make both of them equal? How can we make both of them equal? Is multiply the factor 2 there and multiply the factor 3 here. Then only they both becomes equal. Right, 3 2s are 6 iodide give rise to 3 iodine molecule plus 6 electrons. Same way, 2 permanganate plus 4 water plus 6 electrons gives what? 2 MnO2 plus 4 2s are 8 OH minus ion. So now we have separately balanced oxidation half reaction and reduction half reaction. The next step is combining both the equations. You will get 2 things to cancelling out the terms, and then after cancelling out the similar terms you will get the final equation. Okay, one iodide, and then coming to the other side, left side, MnO4 plus 4 water plus 6 electrons, arrow mark, then all the right hand side terms. What are the right hand side terms? Iodine plus 6 electrons plus 2 MnO2 plus 8 OH minus ion, right? 6 electrons should get cancelled. Nothing else can be cancelled. What is left? 6 iodide, 2 permanganate, 4 water molecules give rise to 3 iodine, 2 MnO2 plus 8 OH minus ions. This is the balanced equation under basic medium, right? This is also a repeated question, so please practice even this thoroughly. Okay, now let us go to the next question. Thank you.